I'm very privileged to be to be the kind of sex worker that earns enough for me to establish myself and make a living. Now, uh, well, I feel like if you have a partner, a romantic partner, meron kayong sari-sariling boundaries and intimacy thresholds, right? And yeah, I do accept that a lot of people still believe in monogamy, and I understand that it's gonna be hard for partners of sex workers to to essentially, tama, to share their partners with the rest of the world, especially people who are performing in pornography like me. And I was faced with that kind of question in my past rin. And yun nga, like I really thought that that was like a really important conversation that I had with my then partner that was really well represented in the film. And like the choice that I made then was that unahin ko muna yung career ko, because this career, tama rin yun sa film na this career, being in sex work, gave me, like it made me realize my worth, it gave me confidence, and it gave me financial stability. Like what more can you ask for from a job, diba? And yeah, I would choose that. I've fallen in love with my work. My work is my partner. So yun po, career.
Of course,
Gusto ko lang i-establish ha na tama yung sinabi mo, like it's hindi lahat ng kinds of sex work ay makakapag-flourish financially the same way that content creators, cam girls, porn performers do. There are many different kinds of sex work, and there are some kinds of sex work that earn more than others. And I'm very privileged to be to be the kind of sex worker that earns enough for me to establish myself and make a living. Now, dun naman sa parang na hindi dahil sa pera that I find that I and other sex workers who like their job, it's very possible for us to find fulfillment. And lalo na for cam girling and making content in particular, because it is a creative endeavor. Like Kitty is very creative. She's an artist. And actually like part rin yun ng background ko. I am an artist. Yun yung tinapos ko in college. And parang yun yung kind of fulfillment that I get from my job. Like I get many different kinds of fulfillment from my job. Like I get creative fulfillment. I get to be creative. I get to be an artist, and what else? And yeah, like if you are the kind of sex worker that takes pictures of yourself, makes content of yourself, parang like when you see yourself in a different lens, tama yung parang transformation na pinagdaanan ni Kitty, na the moment that she sees herself in her pictures, she sees her beauty, she sees her worth, and the fact na nababayaran siya for it, it's a really important and transformative process. First of all, ayoko magkaanak. But if I find myself in that situation, I would definitely support them kasi it would be hypocritical of me if I don't. And also, like ayokong maranasan ng anak ko yung rejection na naranasan ko from my own family. Hala, naiyak ako. And kasi part yun ng parenting eh. Kailangan mo, yung anak mo hindi extension ng sarili mo. Ibang tao yan. And kailangan mo i-respect kung ano yung passions niya, kung ano yung skills niya, and if that aligns with sex work, you have to accept that. That is your duty as your parent, as a parent. Hindi, alam mo hindi extension ng sarili mo yung anak mo, hindi siya, retirement fund. That's a whole ass person. You gotta love that person unconditionally kasi nanggaling siya sa'yo.